This is Ali Baba El Camino Bay, and I have been doing a lot of research on the so-called Moorish, which I call them sovereign citizens. So this one, they have a State of the State address, and it's in Providence, Rhode Island, and I'm going to be jumping around here a lot. There's just a lot to explain and stuff like that, but it's going to be short and sweet. Okay, these people are really confused, and I don't see any white people, white Moorish in here, yes, there are white Moorish, and these people are just basically a religious cult. Okay, this is Taj Tarak Bey, who claims to be the Grand Sheikh of the Moorish here in this country, and I highly doubt that. He's just basically, again, another sovereign citizen. Okay, this is the Moorish consulate post, and this is the Grand Sheikh Marshal Walton L. But I thought Taj Tarak Bey was the Grand Sheikh. See, I mean, this is how screwed up these people are. And this woman is supposedly the Grand Sheikh of the consulate of the northeastern region, and she posts a number of videos on here, and the majority of them are outside. There's also a northwest consulate, then a few others that I have found. Okay, here we've got the Moorish Brooklyn Intelligence Agency, and again, it's just, I don't understand where they come up with all this stuff, and again, wearing their little funny hats, which I highly doubt this guy is Moorish. I mean, what I've found out is probably 99.9999% of the people who claim to be Moorish aren't, including myself. I just used the name for the hell of it. I just changed it. Then we have this guy who claims to be the king of Moors, and he gets arrested. I'm not going to play the video, but I mean, these guys take on so many titles, and they don't have anything to do with anything. You got like a number of different people selling you Moorish nationality cards from anywhere from $25 to $300, which aren't worth anything. Yes, I did call one of the Moorish Temple of Sciences and talked with them about the Moorish nationality card, and what he informed me that it is just a membership card, and it is 25 cents, and these people that are selling them are rip-off artists. Then you have this guy who claims to be the Moorish American president, C. Cannon Bay, and it just, again, it's these people coming up with their own titles. Then you have the United States of North America, who the Prime Minister is Ernest Rothschild, and I will show you something here in a second, but he's just another Moorish wacko. So this is Ernest Walker Bay, otherwise known as Ernest Rothschild, who he claims to also be, besides being the Prime Minister, he also claims to be the President of the United States of North America and stuff like this. So, do you understand what I'm saying here with these Moorish people? These people take on all these titles, they read something and believe it. Hold on, let me go over to their leader, Noble Drew Ali. Okay, this is some information I'm going to give you on Noble Drew Ali, but I want to show you something first here. Let's go up here, and this word right here, encyclopedia. This is where I get a lot of the information. There's a lot of information on the Moors, on Noble Drew Ali, but they're through Moorish website, and they're going to give their explanation of who this guy is. Okay, I just want you to read the highlighted thing, or I'll read it. Okay. Noble Drew Ali was arrested and incarcerated for murder and died mysteriously after he was released on bond several weeks later. What I found, which you will not find in any of the Moorish websites, which is really funny, on their page is, it's basically to be the Grand Sheikh of the Moorish Temple of Science. It's either kill or be killed, and that's what I have been found to that. And again, in Noble Drew Ali made a statement that all blacks are Moorish. That is incorrect. Okay, these are the real Moors / Moorish. And let's... Okay, that's enough of what I'm going to do there. People like this have lied to you. Oh, here we go. If you ever want to call the President of the United States of America Republic, C. Cannon Bay, here's his number. It is 347-989-8767. And make sure you call him after 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But, it is what it is with all this. I mean, these people have been brainwashed. Some of them are really bad, and I mean, I have nothing against black folks. I got a lot of friends who are black, and I've showed in some of these videos, and they just like they think that these people are a joke, but it's some of these black folks are preying on other black folks who are financially screwed because they're very, very poor, and these people are claiming that if you become Moorish, you're going to be able to get all kinds of money back, and you're tax-free and stuff like that. Okay, I'm just going to stop this. It was a little bit more than time of the video than I planned. And again, I've changed my name from 100th Monkey to Alibaba El Camino Bay.